morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Nürburgring, and welcome to probably video about the car in the category of a bit too fast for the track, but it's still nevertheless very much fun. Right, Oliver?
Sure is, yeah. It's a fun toy.
Yeah, so it's a BMW M2, as you all can see. You probably also read by the title of this video and the thumbnail. But it's a bit special, so it has a bit more horsepower than stock, right?
Yep, it's pushing right now 600 horsepower. Yeah, it has a pure turbo done, and it was prepared by Pure Turbos, and it has a custom map as well. But yeah, everything from boost pipe, charge pipe, inlet pipe, DV+, N20 T-MAP sensors. It's all the way to spark plugs have been changed. On the exterior, the brakes are Tarox floating discs. And we're also running endless brake pads on all four.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, these are the classic CS wheels. Also has a cool little
a wing,
yeah.
So that should be beneficial for the aero. And the exhaust sounds also not stuck, or is it just M Performance?
So it's an M Performance, but the car has been straight piped as well. So
that should be fun. Yeah. And also has different springs, you said, right?
So it has the KW Haas spring without the coilovers, so just the springs themselves. And yeah, that's
pretty much it.
That's about it.
Well, excited. I have quite a fun experience with lapping overpowered cars where the suspension or handling components are stock. Here in this case, luckily the brakes at least are not stock. The suspension is not fully stock, so it's going to be interesting. Going to be also the first car of the year in such trim, I would say, that will be lapping. So we'll need to get into it. So let's hop in, do a lap, talk about it afterwards.
It's an honor, a pleasure to.
Well, thank you. It's always for me also very fun to experience various types of cars.
Yep.
Yellow flag. Oh well.
At least the brakes work.
Yeah, they do well.
That's
unfortunate. Shit happens. We'll be back in action soon again. It's too bad because I really love this section with the new tarmac now here.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's nice. It's actually, it's really a lot better than I expected. Because I was afraid that the handling components would be really like struggling. Of course, I'm not driving with full traction off, but still, the car is doing well.
Glad to hear it.
It's a bit dusty here, so lack of grip.
No, I'm also very positively surprised.
That was some insane driving. Well, I mean, to be expected. But yeah, I really don't have much to say right now. Just needs to sink in.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Like I said, I had my doubts, like thinking that it was gonna uncontrollable, but as mentioned everyone in the comments gonna be like, no, oh, traction control light was fully flashing, probably because I was driving Sport Plus.
But it does that, but it doesn't.
Exactly, but it's not killing too much of a power, but it's unknown car. I'm not gonna go full out immediately. Plus, it's tires are super sports. It's not Cup 2s, so it's good, but it's far from like perfect and grippy. So it made no sense to try and do skids and everything. No, but it was really enjoyable. We could notice that the front tires were like very hot because now they're 3 bar.
Yeah.
That's because of the braking, because
expands.
With the good brake pads and brake discs, you generate lots of friction, and it's you can feel that. So yeah, we could lower the pressures and go again, but we have other things to do.
No, but I'll maybe when I get like the semi slicks on for summer, I'll come back and like.
Yeah, we should definitely go out again then. That's going to be nice. But it's really well balanced car. I really like it. It feels safe.
No, yeah.
That's very good. So it's because, like you said, your main thing was you just picked it up and you don't know what and how. And I mean, if you even leave it in normal or just sport mode, you should have absolutely like no worries of car trying to kill you. Yeah. So that's actually like a big surprise for me, because rear-wheel drive, 600 horsepower, like 500. How much on the wheels you said?
For around like 410, 420.
Yeah. So it's quite some, and then usually those cars become undrivable, either because they just like have too much power, or because traction control just doesn't know what's happening. In this case, it was pretty linear.
Yeah, with the weather we've had all week, I'm sure I've tested the car, and like I really never lost traction. I mean, it just goes. So I was really surprised, and overall, I mean, I'm glad also to have like that the car is perfectly safe, and like to drive it on track like you did, it was very impressive.
It's nice. No, thanks again.
Of course.
And see you next time with semi slicks.
For sure.